For the next several questions, you'll see that we're dealing with some higher roots. So we have a fourth root and a cubed root. So we're going to take a little bit different method. We're actually going to make it look kind of like the variables when we were simplifying the variables. And this does work with square roots. I just know we're more familiar with square roots, so we don't often use this method. But what you can do is you take 80 and you go way back in your memory and you do a factor tree. So we got 8 times 10. We know 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, and 10 is 2 times 5. So 80 is 2 to the 4th times 5. And so what we're going to do, which is similar to the ones we did here, we can write this as the fourth root of 2 to the 4th times 5, and we're going to split this up into things that are not perfect fourth power and are, or fourth roots, sorry. So obviously 5 is not, but 2 to the 4th is. Kind of like when we dealt with variables, we could have a maybe a z to the 4th, but this is 2 to the 4th. It doesn't really matter which one of these you put first. Honestly, this one is the one that usually goes first, so I haven't been doing it that way, but we could have put that first. We could have done our perfect fourth roots first, but we have the fourth root of 5, which doesn't simplify, but the fourth root of 2 to the 4th, fourth root and fourth, they just cancel, so this is 2. So we have 2 times the fourth root of 5. Be sure to remember to put the fourth root up there. A lot of people forget because they're so used to just doing square roots, but make sure you put that 4 there, or else it's wrong. Next one, let's go ahead and look at 14. Going to help you out here a little bit. Number 14, we have the cube root of 16. Factor tree, this is 4 times 4, which is 2 times 2, and then 2 times 2. So 16 is 2 to the 4th. And so we're going to put cubed root of 2 to the 4th, which we can split this up into things that are not perfect cubes and things that are perfect cubes. And in fact, let's do what I did before. The first one's going to be perfect cube. So we can think of this 2 to the 4th as 2 cubed times 2. The reason we do that is because now we see 2 cubed is a perfect cube and 2 is not. So our first one, the cubed root of 2 cubed is just 2, and then the second part can't be simplified, so we leave it like that. So you should be able to use that method for number 15 also, and even following, and we will do some of the other ones in the next example.